Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Canva Cloud Design easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Canva account. Once you are on the home page, navigate to the Create a Design button. Click on it to begin a new project. Select the type of design you want to create from the available options. If you're using a custom size, select custom size and input your desired dimensions. Now, choose a template that best fits your project. You can either scroll through the options or use the search bar to find a specific theme. Once you select a template, it will load onto your design canvas. Adjust the layout by dragging and dropping elements as needed. To optimize your design, pay attention to the spacing between text and images. Use the alignment tools, which can be found in the top right corner of the screen. Next, customize the text by clicking on it and entering your own content. You can also change the font style, size, color, and spacing using the menu options above. For images, right-click on any picture to replace or crop it for better fit. You can upload your own images by clicking on the Uploads tab in the left sidebar. Make sure to add visual hierarchy by using larger fonts for headings and smaller fonts for body text. Incorporate brand colors if you have specific guidelines to follow. Once your design is complete, consider reviewing each element for consistency. Use the preview option to see how your design looks before finalizing. If adjustments are needed, go back to the design canvas and make the necessary changes. To download your optimized design, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Select the download option and choose your preferred file format. Finish by clicking the download button to save your design to your device. Now your Canva design is optimized and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.